I know that Stanley Mathabatha said he's done. I've spoken to him. I've interviewed him about it. Some people are agitating for your name. What's your reaction to that then?
Look, I normally do not want to venture into those things because the members of the ANC, the way we've been taught when we arrived here was that we should be the first to serve and the last to get the rewards. Even if Mathabatha was to leave tomorrow, it may not be possible for me to replace him because I'm required to be full-time at the ANC provincial office as the provincial secretary. And obviously there are members in that legislature who can be appointed because they are there serving with him. But secondly, I'm very aware as the provincial secretary that the last time when we were appointing premiers in the NEC, because I was there representing the province when Mathabatha was out of the meeting because he was conflicted. There was a very, very heated debate about an uninterrupted lineage of male comrades succeeding each other in Limpopo as premier since 1994. Ourselves, together with KwaZulu-Natal, for sure, you know are the provinces that have not had female premiers. And as a disciplined cadre of the African National Congress, but also learning from meetings like those, you know how fallacious or how futile it becomes once you start to develop ambition to that position. Because as a leader, you must lead by example by embracing policies of the ANC. If a time has come that Limpopo must have a female candidate as a premier, I must be the first person to support that candidature because it's a policy of our organization. So over and above all, it must not be about me as an individual. It must be about what is best for the ANC. For now, let us concentrate on the conferences that must happen in the regions. Let us concentrate on the task at hand. That is ensuring that all candidates of the ANC are registered for local government elections. And the rest of the things will come when the time arrives for the provincial conference to sit and check if Soviet will still be alive at that time as a human being. We can talk about many things. You know, for you just to say, I want to be this and that without knowing that whether at that time you will still be here, I don't think it shows a consciousness. So let us serve this organization, the people of the country and members of the ANC selflessly without looking at our own personal ambitions, because some of the things that distract us as leaders of the African National Congress is when we start looking at ourselves, where I can be. If you have been elected as the provincial secretary, do your best in that position for the term that you have been elected without looking at another position. If another position comes, you will come and work in that position in the same way as you have worked in the previous position than for you. You know, once a leader decides for himself or herself which positions he or she wants to occupy in the organization, that is where the problems start.